Hello, dear children of class 6, and welcome to yet another online class of moral science. Dear children, in the previous video, we completed the chapter 4, Reach Out to Give. And as usual, today we will be discussing the objective type questions based on the chapter Reach Out to Give. So we will start with the usual stuff. Number 1, fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. As usual, I'll be providing you the objective type questions which you'll have to do on your own. On the basis of reading and understanding of the chapter. So let's continue. Number A. Karan had returned home from his dash. Number B. Okay. He heard the faint dash of a kid. So you see, first two questions, look at it. Fill in the blanks. Number A. Karan, K-A-R-A-N, Karan, H-A-D, had, R-E-T-U-R-N-E-D, returned, H-O-M-E, home, F-R-O-M, from, H-I-S, his, dash. Karan had returned home from his dash. Number B. He, H-E, H-E-A-R-D, heard, T-H-E, the, F-A-I-N-T, faint, dash, O-F, off, A, K-I-D, kid. He heard the faint dash of a kid. Alright. Number C. Karan had a dash heart. Okay, let's look at question number C. K-A-R-A-N, Karan, H-A-D, had, A dash H-E-A-R-T, heart. Karan had a dash heart. Then comes number D. Karan asked Ramu Kaka to get some dash. Okay. Number D. K-A-R-A-N, Karan, A-S-K-E-D, asked, R-A-M-U, Ramu, K-A-K-A, Kaka, T-O-2, G-E-T, get, S-O-M-E, some, dash, F-O-R, for, T-H-E, the, B-A-B-Y, baby. Karan asked Ramu Kaka to get some dash for the baby. And now the last of the fill in the blanks is, okay, number E. Karan decided to open and dash. So your last question, K-A-R-A-N, Karan, D-E-C-I-D-E-D, decided, T-O-2, O-P-E-N, open, A-N-N, dash. Okay, Karan decided to open and dash. So let's look at all your fill in the blanks questions once again. Number A, Karan had returned home from his dash. Number B, he heard the faint dash of a kid. Number C, Karan had a dash heart. Number D, Karan asked Ramu Kaka to get some dash for the baby. And number E, Karan decided to open an dash. Okay. So you see, these are your 5 fill in the blanks which you must do in the copy. Let's move on to the next exercise. Number 2, write true or false. Okay, write true, T-R-U-E, true, or false, F-A-L-S-E. Remember, not F-L-A-S-E, not floss, F-A-L-S-E, false, not floss, false. Many of you make this mistake. Even after the spelling of false is given in the question, you always write the spelling wrong. Wrong spelling equals a mistake equals lesser marks. Remember that. So be correct with your spellings. Write true or false. So number A, Karan okay, your first statement is K-A-R-A-N, Karan, S-A-W, saw, A, B-A-B-Y, baby, L-Y-I-N-G, line, O-N, on, A, R-A-G-G-E-T, ragged, S-H-E-E-T, sheet, ragged sheet. Karan saw a baby lying on a ragged sheet. Now you'll have to write whether it's true or false. Number B, Karan heard the faint laughter of a kid. Okay. K-A-R-A-N, Karan, H-E-A-R-D, heard, T-H-E, the, F-A-I-N-T, faint, L-A-U-G-H-T-E-R, laughter, O-F, off, A-K-I-D, kid. Karan heard the faint laughter of a kid. You have to write whether it's true or false. Then comes number C. Okay, your next one, number C, K-A-R-A-N, Karan, D-I-D, did, and O-T, not, H-E-S-I-T-A-T-E, hesitate, T-O-2, P-I-C-K, pick, U-P, up, T-H-E, the, K-I-D, kid. Karan did not hesitate to pick up the kid. You'll have to write whether it's true or false. Next, number D, Karan was cruel. Okay. K-A-R-A-N, Karan, W-A-S, was, C-R-U-E-L, cruel. Karan was cruel. You have to write. Number E, Karan decided to set up a school for the children. The last one, KARAN Karan, DECIDED decided, TO2 SET set, UP up, A SCHOOL school, FOR4 THE the, CHIL DREN children. Karan decided to set up a school for the children. You'll have to write whether it's true or false. So once again, let's go through it all. Number A, Karan saw a baby lying on a rag sheet. True or false? Number B, Karan heard the faint laughter of a kid. True or false? Karan did not hesitate to pick up the kid. True or false? Karan was cruel. True or false? And Karan decided to set up a school for the children. True or false? So this is your true and false. Now let's move on to number 3. Choose the correct option. Okay, choose the correct option, or you can say in your words, choose the right answer. So let's begin with it. Number A, Karan made himself a cup of tea. So first one, KARAN Karan MAD made HIMSELF himself, A CUP cup OF off. Your options are TEAT / COFFE coffee. Karan made himself a cup of tea or coffee. You'll have to choose the correct answer. Number B, the baby was lying on the edge of pavement / street. Okay, TH the, BAB by baby, WAS was, LYING lying, ON on, TH the, EDGEH OF off, PAVEMENT pavement, oblique STREET street. The baby was lying on the edge of, your options are pavement or street. Number C, Ramu Kaka was Karan's domestic help, oblique washerman. Number C, RAMU Ramu, KAK Kaka, WAS was, KARAN S Karan's, DOMESTIC domestic, HELP help, / WASHERMAN washerman. Ramu Kaka was Karan's domestic help / washerman. Karan Okay, number 4, KARAN Karan. Your options are F-E-D, fed, oblique A-B-A-N-D-O-N-E-D, abandoned the baby. Karan fed or abandoned the baby. And number E, Karan was kind, oblique, cruel. Karan was kind or cruel. So let's go through the questions. Number A, Karan made himself a cup of tea or coffee. Number B, the baby was lying on the edge of pavement or street. Number C, Ramu Kaka was Karan's domestic help or washerman. Number D, Karan fed or abandoned the baby. Number E, Karan was kind or cruel. These are your multiple choice questions. Okay, you have to choose the correct options. Do these objective type questions in your notebook. Thank you very much. Stay safe.